So you can actually call ChatGPT your PA, your personal assistant that never sleeps, that always deliver fresh ideas time by time. Anyway, stars, you're welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you the exact way I use ChatGPT to save time, streamline my workflow, and get more ideas as a content creator and also as a business owner. Whether you're creating your own content or you're creating for a brand, this is going to be a game changer for you. So keep watching. All right. So if you see my face for the first time, hi, my name is Rachael, and today we are looking for ways to become more productive. Right. So this year we don't want to be doing everything without achieving results. We are based on results driving procedures, and that is why I have to introduce ChatGPT to you guys, because I know some of you might be asking, what is ChatGPT? Okay, so ChatGPT is an AI tool that makes everything easier. When I mean everything, I'm talking about brainstorming ideas, creating ideas, social media posts, content ideas, calendars, strategies, even as good as creating YouTube scripts for you. Like, I've been using ChatGPT to do a lot of things, and those are some of the things I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you practical ways to do it. Download your ChatGPT app on your phone or on your system. The first thing I use ChatGPT to do is to brainstorm ideas. Right before now, I wasn't consistent on social media, because most times when I want to get ideas, content ideas, it's always a problem. I have to sit and think, and with the help of ChatGPT, now within minutes I can come up with ideas. I can brainstorm ideas, check if they are right or wrong, just like the way I'm going to show you on the screen right now. When you open it, it brings you to something like this. Like, this is the home page. On the system, yeah, the same thing. So you also need to log in so that all your data will be saved. If you notice here, I have all the ones I've used before now. If you don't log in, you're not going to see that. There are two ways to do this. You can either type, just like the way you chat with WhatsApp or that social media platform. This is how this thing works. You give an information and it responds. Before we go ahead with the video, please give this video a thumb up, like this video so more people get to see this video and enjoy what you're enjoying. Do this for me. Thank you so much. All right, so we'll go ahead. I want to brainstorm idea now. I'm going to use voice notes instead of typing, so that it's going to be faster for me. So I'll go ahead and tap on the mic icon around the keyboard area. I will type on it and say what I want. Just listen. Okay, so I have an Instagram page where I talk about my business I just started. I am catfish. I don't know how to go about it. I don't know how to go about content ideas, and I want to start posting and making sale on my Instagram and my Facebook platform. Please, can you generate content ideas for me? First of all, I don't even know the name to use for the business. Can you give me business ideas? Let's see. Can you give me the kind of content I will need to post? How often should I post? And every other thing that will help my business to grow. So I finished recording the voice note. I just clicked and everything I said came out. You can still read through it. If there's something that is not correct here, you erase it off. So I'll send it now using the arrow white send. So this thing now, if there is network, it comes faster. If there's no network, it delays a little. So content idea for Instagram is bringing, you see, you see. So what you need to do is just for you to be patient to read all these things, read them and go ahead. Then remember I said other tips to grow my business. If I were you, I would jump on it. You try using ChatGPT, just drop a comment in the comment section so I will know you're following up. The next is writing scripts. I use ChatGPT in writing my YouTube scripts. Before now, I would just come and blab. I've never been a writing person. Not like I don't know how to write, okay? But I feel it takes a lot of time. But with ChatGPT, it becomes very, very easy for me to script my YouTube videos. So of recent, if you follow up my videos, you will know that it's always a step by step. I'm not everywhere. I'm beating around the bush. I go straight to the point. Let's say you want to write a YouTube script on a particular topic. Script is like what guide you while creating your content. It gives you guidelines on the next points to take, when to draw your conclusion, and the rest of it. So that's what a script is. Write me a YouTube script on how to manage my business from home as a new time mom and also as a newbie in the business. Everything that I said just came out. Now I'm going to send it and wait for the results. See, we have a result here. YouTube script, how to manage this. So it came up with an intro.
Hey everyone, welcome to put your YouTube channel name if you're a new time mom like me. So after the introduction, it brought in the chapter one. So after everything, there's also conclusion, everything that you need to know, the end screen, and it makes the whole work easier. At this point, you don't need to start to thinking of words to say, what point to give, and the rest. It has everything prepared for you.
You see, this saves me a whole lot of hours. Imagine if I had actually wanted to get all of this. It will take me hours. Next thing I use ChatGPT to do is for my social media content, right? So social media is a vital part of my work, right? As a content creator and as an entrepreneur. And coming up with content for my social media was a mess for me before now. I will try and
Content ideas that will be running for the month of March for my glasses business. I'm going to use voice note to do this now. Right. So I own a glasses store where I sell anti-blurry blocking glasses, sunglasses, and some glasses casing. So I need content ideas for my shop on Instagram and Facebook for the month of March. March content ideas for glasses stores. Welcome to March. Eye care awareness. So first of March, I have hello, post with a bright and stylish flat layer of your glasses. That's you posting the glasses. They have second of March like that. Second week there is also spring and vibe styling tips. So you follow everything that is here and start creating your content. With this, you don't run out of content from 1st to 30th of March. From 1st to 30th of March, all the content ideas is just for you to start creating. And let's move on because there are more interesting things to do with ChatGPT in the video. If I were you, I won't click out, but just like this video.
right now I can call myself a writer because I write a lot, courtesy of my husband. And I just go on, I get my phone and I write, and ChatGPT help me erase all the errors.
So I just copy a story I wrote on my notepad. I use notepad whenever I'm writing. I just copy the story and I'm pasting it here. Right. So this is the story. I want to post this on all my social media platform. They're long. So what I need to do, all I need to do after writing, like as I was just typing, it was coming. I'm a storyteller, right? So as I'm writing, it's coming. So all I need to do at the beginning, I'll just put remove typo errors from this. So I will just send it. If there is any mistake I made while writing, it's going to remove it, and you have your original write up where arrange. So in this case now, I will just need to copy what I need here and send it to paste it on my Facebook or my Instagram. I will double tap it to copy.
The next is overcoming creative blocks. This is something that happens to most creative. But with the use of ChatGPT now, it's very, very simple. I don't struggle with getting content ideas again. If creative blocks want to come in, it's just to open my ChatGPT and write, I need content ideas for 30 days. I need content strategies. I need this and I need that.
Okay, so I'm having creative blocks and I need content idea for my brand for the month of March. Yes, it should be 30 days content ideas with call to action to make me have what to post on my social media platform for the month of March. Let me send. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Here's the 30-day content plan for your brand.
The truth is that it has really made everything easier for us, and it's something that I love so much. I'm multi-talented. I do a lot of things, but with the help of ChatGPT, I've been able to organize my life, and this has actually increased my productivity. Because if I'm coming now to create content for either my business or for my social media account, I don't struggle any longer because I know what I do and I know how to go about it. Okay, let me show you how I actually how I was able to organize my life, how I was able to organize what I know into one place.
So this was me. I just wrote down. I love to share my journey on you on how I started my entrepreneurship journey, content creation, and the rest of it. I also run an importation business where I do shipping, procurement, payment, and the rest of it. I also have students and stuff. So these are too many things, and I want a content pillar. I want content pillar to be able to have three niches on one channel, and it gave me the results. See, it broke down everything to me. It also gave me the content pillar, which is entrepreneurship, content creation, coaching, and work from home, and how these three can blend in. So that was what it did. It also showed me what I need to do on my channel to get results. Also helped me to set goals and the rest of it. So I asked, so what is my niche? My niche is online business startup, content creation. So this they overlap. So as I was also sending, like I told you, it's a conversation, just like the way you have conversation and questions about things. I also asked about content ideas that I can create. It gives me content idea based on the different things I drew.
So did I also mention that with ChatGPT, if you want to layer your foundation, if you want to layer your makeup, ChatGPT can actually help you do that.
Please help me layer my skincare products. So I have sunscreen, I have moisturizer, I have my face cream, I have my dry powder that I want to use on my face. How should I layer it? Which should come first and last? I need help. So the order you apply your skincare is key to getting the best result. Here's the correct layering. Face cream first, then you put your moisturizer, then your sunscreen, then your dry powder. Isn't this amazing?
It's all round. If you have issues with your husband, your fiance, your boyfriend, ChatGPT can give you best ideas to resolve it.
So he hates when he's talking, I respond back rudely. So that was exactly what happened. He was talking and I was responding back, and now we are having issues. Please resolve this for me. So you see, I told you that this thing is your bestie. It's your bestie that is between the both of you. Nobody's going to gossip you after this thing. It sounds like he felt disrespected in moment and there is tension between the both of you. The best way to resolve this issue is this: start with an apology, acknowledge his feeling, reassure him, invite him to talk. Then at the end, is asking, do you still want more options? So this is how this thing works. Isn't it sweet? Isn't it sweet?
If you have any question, you can drop a comment in the DM and I will reply you. So if you need something that will help actually improve your life this year, then ChatGPT is a go-to. See you in my next video. Bye.